Hello everyone, welcome to another G-Tag fan game tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add gorilla teleportation movement to your gorilla tag fan game. So per se, you want your gorilla pair to touch something and then it goes over here, then I'm going to teach you how to do that. So first things first, you're going to want to check your left hand and right hand controllers, make a tag and call it hand tag exactly like this, capital H, capital T, no spaces. And then you're going to click on each hand and call it left hand, and then the other hand right hand. And then go to your gorilla player, make sure that it also has a tag, and you put that to whatever you want your gorilla player tag to be. And let's get straight to it. So first things first, you're gonna want to join my Discord in the bio, in the description or in the bio. And you're going to want to go to the best teleportation channel to get the script. Okay, so after you did what I told you to do, import the script, make a 3D cube, set box collider to edge trigger, put it in the position you want it to be, like that, so that way the player can actually see it and can touch it. Oh, one more thing. Check your left and right hand and make sure that the sphere colliders are edge trigger and that radius is 0.06. Now, continuing, add the teleportation script. Put your gorilla player from the gorilla objects, or no, the game select, the gorilla player right here. You're going to want to make an empty space or an empty game object. Put it right here. Name it whatever you want to name it. I'm going to call it teleportation or just telly. Put it up a little more. That way the player doesn't get stuck and falls like into this abyss. Put that in the teleportation location. So telly right here. And make sure that from earlier when you made your tag, you set it to whatever it's called. And make sure that your hand tag is hand tag as previously, like I said. And now, if you playtest it, it should be ready to go. And you don't have to worry about the colliders around it. It's just gonna load either way. And then click the cube. And just like that, it teleported without any issues. And that is how, okay, I need to fix this later on. I think I know why it's like that. It's because of the offline rig, but I'll deal with it later. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Next up, I will teach you how to add a WASD movement configure. And I'll be right with you guys as soon as I make it, I promise. And thank you for watching and watching my videos. Goodbye.